If you want to permanently delete your Agoda account, follow these simple steps to ensure your information is removed from the system. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Agoda website or app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the profile section, often represented by your name or an icon. Step 3. Find account deletion option. Look for the option related to account deletion or deactivation. This may be under privacy settings or a similar category. Step 4. Follow deletion instructions. Carefully read the instructions provided for account deletion. You may be required to confirm your decision or provide a reason for leaving. Step 5. Confirm deletion. After following the prompts, confirm that you want to delete your account. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your account deletion request has been processed. Once you have completed these steps, your Agoda account will be permanently deleted. Make sure to save any necessary information before proceeding, as this action cannot be undone.